final category of this year's SAP ACE is the Game Changers, which aims to identify companies that are on long-term transformation journeys covering multiple lines of businesses.
Well, digital transformation is a key component of an overall business transformation strategy, and while not the only factor, it is critical to the success or failure of any transformation effort. The right technologies coupled with people, processes and operations give organizations the ability to adapt quickly to disruptions and opportunities, meet new and evolving customer needs, and drive future growth and innovation, often in unexpected ways.
Game Changer Award winner in mid-size enterprises is the pioneer of synthetic leather manufacturing in Sri Lanka. With state-of-the-art production facilities, they are manufacturers of a range of vinyl flooring, sheeting, synthetic leather, and related products. They are the winners of the ACE for their implementation of SAP Business One HANA on cloud, an integrated solution covering finance, purchasing, inventory, manufacturing, sales and service. Also gave them the ability to serve customers much faster with mobile apps, alerts and approvals on the go. The project has shown encouraging outcomes such as 5 to 10% reduction in manufacturing costs and 10% incremental revenue from new business lines. And the winner is Global Vinyl Private Limited. Congratulations to their project partner, Perfect Business Solutions Services Private Limited.
Hello everyone. It is an absolute honor and privilege to accept this award on behalf of Team Global Vinyl. I'd like to express our gratitude to Indus annual virtual conclave, which is hosting the SAP ACE Awards this evening and awarding us under the Game Changer category. Global Vinyl is the market leader and pioneer of vinyl flooring manufacturing in Sri Lanka. We count over 40 years of unparalleled experience. We set off to look for a new ERP system due to the limitation of our existing system, which is in-house built. And subsequently, after an extensive search, we have narrowed it down to SAP Business One HANA platform. It's a world-renowned platform with a feature-rich set of features. It also helped us minimize the implementation time and rollout, which was a key decision factors. Our significant challenges were we rolled out, we had started during the first COVID lockdown, where bulk of the implementation really happened. So 80% was done remotely. We had a lot of challenges, but with the help of our partners, we had managed to have it rolled out by the end. I would also like to thank our partners, the gold partners, Perfect Business Solution Services, for their extensive support in system implementation and rollout and afterwards. This wouldn't be possible without them. So I would like to also express my gratitude and thanks to them. And we are now using the ERP solutions end to end, and we are all happy about it. Thank you very much.